Hi all, good morning. Let's start maths, grade 11, chapter 5. Chapter name is Linear Inequalities. Learning objectives. After this session, learners will be able to define the concept of inequalities, apply the properties of inequalities to solve problems. Introduction to inequalities. It is always possible to translate a statement problem in the form of an equation. For example, the height of all students in a class is less than 160 centimeters. Here less than is this, we are comparing, and the symbol for this less than is this one, 160 centimeter. Your classroom can occupy at most 60 tables or chairs or both. And here we can get a certain statement involving a sign greater than, less than or equal, and greater than or equal, which is known as a inequality. So whatever the signs are there here, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, these are the inequalities. Example, Ravi goes to market with 200 rupees to buy rice, which is available in packets of 1 kg. The price of one packet of rice is 30 rupees. If X denotes the number of packets of rice which he buys when the total amount spent by him is rupees 30x. Since he buys rice in packets only, he may not be able to spend the entire amount of 200 rupees. So here we have to use this less than, because we can spend amount within this whatever we have. We have Ravi is having 200 rupees. So Ravi can spend only below maximum of 200 or less than or equal to 200. Okay. So we always consider this is less than now. 30x less than 200. So this is an example of inequation. Definition. Two real numbers are two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than or equal form an inequality. For example, ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus by greater than or equal to c. These are the examples of inequalities. Algebraic solution of linear inequalities in one variable and their graphical representation. Let's consider 30x less than 200 when Ravi wants to buy 1 kg of the packet of rice, like that. Now, for x is equals to 0, if we substitute x as a 0, left hand side will be 30 into 0, that is 0. So 0 is less than 200, which is true. Now, if x is equals to 1, 30 into 1, as 30 is less than 200, so which is true. If x is 7, 30 into 7 is 210. Is it less than 200? No. If the statement, because our aim is to have this within the 200, as this is not true, so that's why it is false. So rule 1 here. Equal numbers may be added or subtracted both sides of inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. For example, here, if I say 3x is less than 100, then I can add both sides 10. So equal numbers, it doesn't affect the sign. So 3x plus 10 is less than 110. This is an example here. Rule number 2. Both sides of inequality can be multiplied or divided by same positive number. Here we have to keep the word in the same positive number, not negative number. Okay. So here, when I'll say here 6x is less than 60. Now, if I multiply both sides with the 2, the sign will not change. So 12x is less than 120. 12x is less than. Similarly, when I divide with the 2, 6x by 2 less than 60 by 2. That is 3x is less than 30. So the sign will not change. If it will be going to multiply or divide with a negative, then the sign will change. It will get reversed. So, but when both sides are multiplied or divided by a negative number, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. If the same thing I will multiply with a minus 2, then the sign, instead of the less than, it will become greater than. Example 1. Solve 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. Show graph of the solution number line. First we have to solve here. Then we have to represent the values in the number line. Now let us take this here. 7x, when this is the variables array, let us transpose variable to one side. So 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. When we are transposing, we are going to get 7x minus 5x less than 9 minus 3. That is 7x minus 5x is 2x. 9 minus 3 is 6. So 2x is less than 6 or x is less than 3, because by dividing both sides with the 2 we will get as x is less than 3. So the graphical representation is in this figure here. So this is this figure where x is less than 3. So all the values which are the less than 3 are solution for this equation, inequation. Exercise 5.1. Solve 24x less than 100 when x is a natural number. Second one, when x is an integer. Solution. When x is a natural number, 24x less than 100. So x will be less than 100 by 24. That means x is less than 25 by 4, because here 4 6 4 25. So x is less than 25 by 6. So x is less than 4.16. So all the natural numbers less than 4.16 are 4, here 3, 2, 1. First natural numbers are the numbers which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the values less than 4 are 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum of 4 only. Therefore, x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us solve x as an integer. We know that x is less than 4.16. So integers will involve this negative numbers also, because integers are from minus infinity to plus infinity. And these values which are less than 4.15 are from 4 to till this maximum end. Therefore, the values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, x belongs to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, from minus infinity to till 4. Exercise 5.1, question number 2. Solve minus 12x greater than 30 when x is a natural number. Second one, when x is an integer. Solution. When x is a natural number, minus 12x greater than 30. So minus x is greater than 30 by 12. So as let us multiply minus on both sides, then the sign will change. So x will be less than minus 30 by 12. But here we can factorize this one. 6 2 is 6 5 is. So minus 5 by 2. So x is less than minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 in this decimal number is 2.5. Therefore x is less than minus 2.5. But we know that natural numbers are from 1 to infinity. So there are no natural numbers less than minus 2, because minus 2 is not applicable for this natural numbers. Therefore, there is no solution for this inequation. X is an integer. We know that x is less than minus 2.5. So integers are from minus infinity to plus infinity. So the value is less than minus 2.5 are from minus infinity to minus 4 and minus 3. So the values will be from minus infinity to maximum of minus 3. Let us solve question number 3. Solve 5x minus 3 less than 7 when x is an integer. Second subsection, when x is a real number. Solution. X is an integer. 5x minus 3 less than 7. So it implies 5x less than 7 plus 3 by transposing minus 3 to the right hand side. So it will be 5x is less than 10. Then x will be less than 10 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 2s are here. So x will be less than 10. So integers are from minus infinity to plus infinity. So integer values which are less than 2 are from minus infinity to 1. Therefore, x belongs to from minus infinity to 1. Let us see second subsection, x is a real number. We know that x is less than 2. So therefore, all the real numbers are this which belongs to this one are minus infinity to 2. Let us solve fourth question. Solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when x is an integer, x is a real number. Solution. X is an integer. 3x plus 8 greater than 2. So 3x is greater than 2 minus 8. By transposing 8 to this and right hand side, we will get as a 3x is greater than 2 minus 8. That is 3x is greater than minus 6. Therefore, x is greater than minus 2. So integers are minus 3 to minus infinity to plus infinity. So the values greater than minus 2 are minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So the solution is, so x belongs to, let us solve subsection 2. X is a real number. When x, we know that the value x is greater than minus 2. So therefore x belongs to from minus 2 to plus infinity. Solve the inequalities in exercise 5 to 16 for real x. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Given inequation is 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So let us transpose variables to this left hand side and constant to the right hand side. So upon transposing here 5x to the left hand side will become minus 5x. This plus 3 will become minus 3. Therefore 4x minus 5x is less than 7 minus 3. That is minus x is less than 4. That is, as x is a negative, when we are multiplying with the minus 1, the sign will change. Therefore x will become greater than minus 4. Therefore x is greater than minus 4. As x is a real number, because here they are asking for this a real x value, and x is greater than minus 4. The solution of the given inequality is x belongs to minus 4 to plus infinity. Let us solve sixth question. 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. Let us transpose variables to one side and constants one side. Okay. So here 5x upon transposing to the left hand side, we will get 3x minus 5x. And let us transpose minus 7 to the right hand side. So minus 1 plus 4. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. Minus 1 plus 7 is 6. So here minus 2x is greater than 6. Now as we need to remove this minus sign, again the sign will change to here. First minus x is greater than 6 by 2. Then 2 1s are 2 3s are. So x minus x is greater than 3 and minus x is greater than 3 and x is less than minus 3, because when we are multiplying both sides with the minus, the sign will reverse. So therefore x is less than minus 3. As x is a real number and x is less than minus 3, therefore the solution of the given inequality is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. Solve the inequalities in the exercise 5 to 16 for real x. Okay. So 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. Solution. Given inequation is 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. Let us transpose x to this left hand side and minus 3 to this right hand side. Upon transposing 2x to the left hand side, we will get 3x minus 2x. And upon transposing minus 3 to the right side, we will get minus 6 plus 3. That is 3x minus 2x is x. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So x is less than or equal to minus 3. Therefore, as x is real and x is less than minus 3, the solution of the given inequality is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3, because here less than or equal. So we have to use this closed bracket. Closed bracket means minus 3 is also solution of this one, because this equation symbol is there. Let us solve question number 8. Solve this inequality 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. Solution. given inequation is 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. So here 3 2 is 6. 3 into minus x is minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x, that is 2 minus 2x. Now let us transpose variable to the left hand side, constant to the right hand side. So minus 3x plus 2x is greater than or equal to 2 minus 6. Minus 3x plus 2x is minus x, greater than or equal to minus 4, because 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Therefore, minus x is greater than or equal to minus 4. Again, let us multiply both sides with a negative. Then we have to change the sign. Instead of the greater than or equal to, say less than or equal to. Because multiplying both sides with a minus 1, it will reverse the sign. So, the opposite sign of this greater than or equal to is less than or equal to. Therefore, x will be less than or equal to 4. Thus, the solution is x is real and x is less than or equal to 4. Therefore, the solution of the given inequality is x belongs to minus infinity to 4, and thus 4 is closed bracket, because here less than or equal to is there. So 4 is also its solution. Let us solve question number 9. Solve the inequalities in exercise 5 to 60 with this real x. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. Let us consider the given inequation. All the variables are the left side. So directly simplify it by taking the LCM. LCM of 1, 2 and 3 is 6. So here 6x plus 3x plus 2x divided by 6 is less than 11. 6x plus 3x is 9x. 9x plus 2x is 11x. So 11x by 6 is less than 11. So now transpose 6 to the right hand side. So 11x is less than 11 into 6. Now we can cancel 11 and 11. So x is less than 6. As x is real and x is less than 6, the solution of the given inequality is x belongs to minus infinity to 6. Here we have to use this open bracket, as this is only less than. Let us solve question number 10. X by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. Solution. Given inequation is x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. So let us transpose x by 2 to this left hand side. So x by 3 minus x by 2 greater than 1. Now let us take LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 6, 2x minus 3x divided by 6 is greater than 1. Now transpose 6 to here. So 2x minus 3x is minus x. So minus x is greater than 6. Now to change the sign of the minus, let us multiply both sides with the minus 1. Then this sign will change. Therefore, plus x will become minus 6. As x is a real number and x is less than minus 6, the solution is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 6. Thank you.